Cote's innovative telecom solutions keep you globally connected and expertly protected. Our products are designed to safeguard a seamless flow of information around the world, protecting the fiber optic during its installation and minimizing the need for costly repairs in even the most extreme environments. Efficient and cost-effective, each one pushes the boundaries of what was previously thought possible, thanks to the pioneering work of all of our innovation hubs and the in-depth knowledge of our local teams, which are working with the main cable designers and manufacturers around the world since long ago. In underground and buried fiber optic cables, our Gotex FGPU UltraBlock offers a strong, consistent, and water-resistant performance to protect the optical fiber as the main strength member. And our water-resistant UltraBlock yarns protect the cable against water penetration. Cotes offers reliable yarns made for tough environments, which keeps cables protected no matter what they're subjected to. For fiber optic aerial cables, we build in strength as standard, with several high-performance solutions available as the Gotex FRP. Protus HM, a para-aramid yarn which is stronger than steel, helps cables retain their integrity no matter how tough conditions get. And Gotex Stremax, a new high-modulus yarn with super strength and heat resistance, making it one of the most disruptive products of its kind on the market today, and for sure for the coming years. And when it comes to power cables, we developed Cotes UltraBlock SY to shield against water, engineering it with super fast swelling power. And among our different tapes, there's our Gotex FG woven tapes, which inhibits damage caused by rodents and is heat and flame resistant up to a massive 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 650 degrees Celsius, perfect for when things are hotting up. We're dedicated to finding and engineering products to keep the world in communication. Connected, protected, innovative and disruptive telecom solutions you can trust from Cotes.